In this video, you'll learn how to hide filters in Notion. This process will allow you to manage your database more effectively by removing unnecessary restrictions on the data display. Start by navigating to Notion and signing into your account. Locate the page that contains the database with the active filters. It is important to ensure that you are in an editable view of the database. You should confirm that you have the necessary permissions to modify the database. This setup prepares you for the next steps in managing your filters. Next, look for the filter option displayed above the database. Click on this filter option to see the active filter conditions. Take a moment to review the filters currently applied. You will have the choice to delete or clear each filter rule individually. Make sure to confirm the changes right after removing each filter. This action is essential to ensure that no unintended data restrictions remain visible in your database. After clearing the filters, take a moment to review the database to confirm that all items are now visible. If necessary, you can rename the view to something that reflects its new unfiltered state clearly. It is advisable to avoid reapplying any filters unless absolutely needed. If you are collaborating with others, consider sharing this clean view to keep everyone updated. Monitoring the database for any future changes will help maintain the clean view. By following these steps, you will successfully hide the filters in your Notion database. This ensures that your data is displayed without unnecessary restrictions, allowing for a more streamlined view. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.